Good morning. Um, it's a little early, so if I sound a little weird, it's because I'm still a little tired, but I need to make this video before I get the day started. So, since Wednesday evening, I have acquired 22 of the Pokemon cards from Happy Meals at McDonald's. I've got a bunch of number ones, some twos, and some fours, but I have not ended up with any threes yet. So I was gonna wait to open them all, but I wanna open them now to see where I stand and what I'm missing. One of my friends did get a complete set already, and he ended up buying 28 packs. So I'm at 22 packs right now. So we'll see what I got with 22 packs. So number 4 comes with, number 4 is the Pikachu? I thought 4 was large stickers. I'm so confused. I'll have to look that up again. Alright, so this is number 4. It has the Pikachu card insert. I guess I'm just thinking of that wrong. Alright. Oh, I see a holographic already. So I've got a holographic Trico, a regular Rookery, regular Poplio, and a regular Torchic. Like that. Oh, not a holographic. So it looks like so far each deck starts with holographic. Holographic Tepig, a regular Trico, a regular Chespin, and a regular Totodile. Oh, yep, looks like it's gonna be one holographic per pack. Holographic Chimchar, regular Charmander, regular Squirtle, regular Mudkip. I don't think I've got any duplicates yet. Holographic Bulbasaur, regular Bulbasaur, regular Fennekin, regular Chimchar. So what I've heard, okay, and this is number 2. Number 2 should have 25 stickers. Yes, 25 stickers. Okay, what I've heard is the Pikachu holographic is the rarest. This is a duplicate. Nope, it's not. Holographic Rookery, regular Rookery, Chespin, Mudkip. I got a couple duplicates now, but that's okay. So when you're opening 22 packs, pretty sure you're gonna get duplicates. Alright, come on, Pikachu. Nope, another Chespin. Okay. Holographic Chespin, regular Bulbasaur, regular Cyndaquil, regular Totodile. These packs are easy to open if I have to get scissors. Not duplicate. Rookery, Trico, Cyndaquil, Turtwig. It's a weird looking Turtwig. Okay, these are number 2s. So these are still the stickers. Holographic Poplio, Piplup, Squirtle, Mudkip. If I pronounce any of these names incorrectly, please excuse me. I'm very bad at pronouncing Pokemon names. Oh, come on, Pikachu. Looks like this is a duplicate. Holographic Tepig, Pokey, Squirtle, Mudkip. Oh my god, is that what I think it is? Yay! Yay! Look at that! Look at that! I got the holographic Pikachu! Alright, now I just need a regular one. Those are all duplicate regulars, Bulbasaur, Poplio, and Mudkip. Alright. I don't know how rare it is. That's just what I read. Another Trico. Trico. Regular Burberry, Finnegan. Oh, Scorbunny. So that's a new one. Alright, this is number ones. They have this box that you fold to put your cards in. Alright, so 4 had the Pikachu card holder, and 3 is the 4 large stickers. I guess I just had that wrong in my head. Holographic Torchic, Trico, Chikorita, Mudkip. Chikorita, sorry. Holographic Loki, Trico, Buckleo, Jolly. Come on, I need a regular Pikachu. Where are you, regular Pikachu? Oh, that's another. I think I had this one already. Finnegan, regular Froakie, Squirtle, Litten. Oh, that's a new one. Holographic Cyndaquil, Piplup, Torchic, Tepig. I have this one. Holographic Buckleo, Froakie, Mudkip, Squirtle. Holographic Finnegan. Oh, yeah, there's my regular Pikachu. Chespin, Chimchar. I still know I'm missing some. So when I'm done, I'll have to sort and figure out what I'm missing. Okay, you ready? Rookery. Holographic Rookery. There's a checklist. Froakie, Squirtle, Chimchar. I don't know if I've got a Squirtle yet. I just know that it's 50. 25 regular and then 25 of their holographic version. Mudkip. I think I needed that one. Froakie, Leo, Mudkip. Chespin. Froakie, Squirtle. Oh, wait, I'm really thinking I don't have a holographic Squirtle. Chikorita. Holographic Chikorita. Piplup, Chespin, Oshawott. Oh, Oshawott. Yep, I'm definitely not going to have a complete set after this. Okay, this is my last pack. So this is out of 22 packs. This is my last 22. Rowlet. I don't think I even have a regular Rowlet. So, yep. Holographic Rowlet. I'm definitely going to have to be regular Pikachu, Tepig, Totodile. Definitely going to have to, I don't have a complete, definitely have to buy some more packs. But I'm excited. I got these 2 out of the way. Maybe I can trade with some of my friends. So, I have 22 cards. So it looks like each pack has 1 holographic and 3 regular. So I'm going to sort and see if I have a complete set. Thank you for watching. Alright, after opening them all, I have them sorted. I don't really have them sorted in any order. I just put them here. The holographics are on top. So it's 10 different ones. There's another 10. And then 3 down here. So there's 25. So I'm missing 2. So I don't know for sure yet. Don't have the holographic of that. So I still need holographic Charmander, Litten, Scorbunny, Turtwig, Squirtle, Oshawott, Piplup, Totodile, and then whatever these 2 are, plus a regular rowlet. So I guess not bad. Not a complete set after 22, but I'm on my way. Hopefully it won't take me too much more, because right now the 3 McDonald's I go to, you have to buy the food. I don't really eat McDonald's food. My kids have been eating it. I'm pretty sure they're sick of it. A friend just texted me. He knows a McDonald's that will just sell you 5 packs. So I think I'm going to hit up that today, because I am so sick of the food. No offense to McDonald's. I love McDonald's, but you can't eat 22 Happy Meals in 3 days. It's just no fun. See you later. Bye.